Hi and welcome back into this channel, and thank you so much for clicking into the video. So today I am going to show you how to add or how to get green flags filter on TikTok. So if you're using a device that is different than mine, don't worry because the process is still the same. So first, what we are going to do is to simply open up or launch our TikTok app on your device. And then after that, tap onto the search icon here on the upper right corner of the screen, just like that. And then type in green flag filter, just like that, and tap on search. And then this will pop up on your screen, or you will see this on your screen. A various filter, green flag filter is available for you to use, but I am going to tap on to this second one that says my green flags. And then you will see this on your screen. So if this is the filter that you want to use and you want it to use it right away, just tap onto this use effect on the bottom part of your screen on the red icon here that says use this effect. But if you just want to save the filter and use it for future use, just tap onto this add to favorites icon or button here on the upper part of your screen. So that is all for this video, and I hope it helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.